Well, kumusta kayo mga idol? Ang ating yung mapapanood ay ang laban ni Mel Fajardo versus Agustin Moro Gauto. Pero bago natin umpisahan ang video ito, bago ka pa lang sa aming munting channel, ay huwag mo nang kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakihit na rin sa notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bago nating i-upload tulad nito. Maraming salamat po!
Fajardo!
Ang pagdayo sa ibang bansa ay para makakuha ng mas malaking laban na isa sa mga inakaasam-asam ng mga Pinoy boksingero na nagnanais pang mas makilala sa mundo ng professional boxing. Bagamat isa itong napakalaking hamon dahil dayo ka lang sa teritoryong maliit at mababa ang tingin sa iyong mananalo ka sa bakbakan. Malaking bagay ito sa moral at karanasan ng isang boksingero lalo pat mananalo ka sa laban. At sa paraan na hindi pa nila inaasahan. Ito ang sitwasyon na hinaharap ng ating kababayan na si Mel Fajardo ng San Francisco Agustin del Sur matapos nitong manalo sa Dubai noong taon Marso 26, 2022. Para harapin ang ground favorite world treated Argentina champion na nooy undefeated na si Agustin Moro Gauto. Nanoy tangan na malinis na record na 17 wins, walang talo at 12 wins by way of knockout.
Gauto!
Si Gauto ay hindi birong kalaban sa ibabaw ng lona. Sa kanyang edad na 24 ay marami ng kampyonato ang hinawakan Argentina fighter. Kabilang na ang WBA Latin Light Flyweight title at IBF Youth Light Flyweight title. Pati na ang WBO International Light Flyweight title. Kaya naman hindi katakataka na hawak at pinapasikat na ito na dating world champion na kilala bilang boxing promoter na si Marco Argentino Maidana. Kung saan pampataba na lamang ito sa kartada ni Gauto ang tingin sa kampo nito ng ating pambato. Balikan natin ang naging laban ng ating kababayan kontra sa pamboritong Argentinang fighter na si Augusto Mauro Gauto. Nabalak lang gawing pampataba sa kanyang kartada si Fajardo at alamin kung paano nga ba ginulat ng dihadong Pinoy fighter ang Dubai matapos nitong durugin ang paboritong Argentina fighter. Unang round pa lang ay matatalim na ang kombinasyon na pinapakawalan ng dalawang boksingero. Atake sa ulo at budiga ang labanan at kita agad ang bakbakan na hindi talaga tatagal ang laban.
The left hook there, didn't as well with the second attack.
Body shots because he's really getting on his here, Fajardo. To go down to the body again there. Then back up to the head, but he's letting his hands go, putting his punches together well.
Yes, and particularly the second one for me.
Just got in some shell bits, hasn't he? Gauto. Huge, but something registered there, definitely. It's the final minute. Sharp
There, left hook.
A lot of the head there from Gauto. They both land at the same time. He's having a good opening round here for the Pino fighter. He's already turning into a good fight. Right hand there from Gauto.
Better from Gauto. He's got his hand too. Good body shot himself there. Gauto with the left hook.
Shot. Oh, beautiful left hand there from Fajardo, and that has put him down hard onto his back there, Gauto. There was one just before that. There was a left to the body. He went up top, landed the left hand. There was almost a nod of approval, and then he did it again. And Gauto was just put straight down. No time left in the round, which is just as well. And Fajardo has just gone, and it'll be very surprising if he doesn't get the win. Big left hand again there, straight at the start of the round, and he's almost kind of dragged down to not his knees quite, down to his knees. The gloves touched down as well, but Fajardo just got to get on top of it.
He just needs to stay low for Fajardo and then come in with that left hook. Good fight back over Gado. Oh, good left hook.
Gauto hit by left hand, but he's trading here, which could be a problem. Good upper body movement from him. He shifts another left hand, big left hand again. There he touches down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second. Left hand puts him onto his back, and he's just so fragile in there at the minute. That's the problem. He's letting his own hands go. He's showing a ton of bravery and heart in there, but every time he gets hit clean, he's going to go down, and he's going to get hit clean because he's wide open at times.
What's the referee doing?
Well, the referee's given him extra time there. He missed the knockdown. There was a touchdown with the glove which he missed, and then he was put down. Fajardo just looking for that left hook. Every single time he can throw it, he is throwing it. Dipping low at the waist there, touches down with the glove again, and the referee doesn't see it. That's another knockdown.
There's been like one knockdowns in this round. It's tremendous action, it really is.
It is, it's superb. 1 minute 40 remaining in round two.
Oh, good shots. Oh.
Another big left hand, and he's taken those two somehow. He's thrown back himself. He goes down to his knees, more in exhaustion than anything else, but the referee does count him this time. The corner are looking on there, the Argentinian corner. I don't really know how much more of this I would need to see if I were them. This is a critical stage of his career, of course. He's 17-0. But I think he's done here, and it's only a matter of time, isn't it? Big left hand again there. The referee jumps in, and that's a good decision from the referee, who missed a couple of touchdowns in that round, but he's jumped in when he needed to. I don't think the corner were going to do it, and that is a massive, massive win for Miguel Fajardo. And what a 5 minutes win.
Panalo nito ni Fajardo kay Gauto ang nagpaganda pa ng kanyang kartada. 8 wins, 1 losses at 7 wins by way of knockout. Habang mangiyak-ngiyak na inaakay ni Marco Maidana ang kanyang alagang si Gauto, matapos nitong matikman sa Pinoy ang unang pagkatalo. 4 na buwan matapos ang malaking panalo sa Argentina fighter, muling napasabak si Fajardo sa Pilipinas, kung saan tinalo nito ang kapwa Pilipino. Walang iba kundi si Richard Clavares. Nasundan pa ito ng Pan-Guinness Book Record na panalo laban sa Thai boxer. Walang iba kundi si Jean Paul Cabunilas. Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at sa walang sawang suporta. Ikaw, idol, anong masasabi mo sa magandang performance pinakita ni Fajardo sa videong ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat. God bless. Bye bye.